Hello friends. Namaste. Welcome back to Yoga and Fitness. Session 16. Standing forward bend. Padahastasana. Standing forward bend is a stretch of the entire back body, a yogic term that covers the territory from the soles of the feet and up the backs of the legs, spans the lower, middle, and upper back, rises up the neck, and circles over the scalp and back down the forehead, finally ending at the point between the eyebrows. When you fold forward in standing forward bend, you stretch this entire sheath of muscles and connective tissue. Benefits of standing forward bend. Standing forward bend stretches and lengthens the hamstrings and calves. It is common to have tight hamstrings if you run or play a sport that involves lots of running. It is regarded as a relaxing and stress-relieving pose. Traditionally, it is said to help relieve insomnia. Step-by-step instructions. 1. From raised hands pose with the arms reaching overhead, sweep your arms down on either side of your body to come into a forward fold from your hips. 2. Bring your fingertips in line with the toes. Press your palms flat to the mat if you can. 3. Micro bend the knees so that they are not locked. 4. Engage your quadriceps muscles and draw them up. The more you use your quads, the more the hamstrings will open. 5. Bring your weight a little bit forward into the balls of your feet so that your hips stay over your ankles. 6. Let your head hang. 7. To come up, inhale and place your hands onto your hips. Press your tailbone down and contract your abdominal muscles as you stretch back slowly in half-wheel pose. Come back to normal position. Relax. Thank you for watching.